Sculpting Nailogic gels is not difficult. Just follow these simple directions. Begin doing your nail prep, exactly as you saw done in the nail prep chapter. Remove the thin skin tissue from around the cuticles and along the side walls. Etch the entire surface of the nail using a 100 grit file only. Remove all of the shine from the entire surface of the nail. Always shape the free edge as possible. Dust, sanitize, and now is when you're going to apply a form or forms as needed. Any form should do. Learning to apply forms can be a little bit of a trick at first. Watch how we do it. Tuck the form up underneath what little free edge there might be. It's a good idea to have at least 1/8 of an inch of free edge if at all possible. Press the form down along the side walls, pinch the end, and seal behind the cuticle. Once you have forms applied to the nails that need to be sculpted, apply a thin coat of the Stix-It nail prep as you would polish. Avoid applying to the skin. Always cap the free edge and allow 10 to 15 seconds to dry. Using the Nailogic building gel, apply a small amount of gel where the nail meets the form. Using your number 2 Nailogic gels brush, work the gel into the etch marks on the nail. Brush out across the form to the basic length and shape desired. Using small swirling motions, push gel back toward the cuticles, working it into all of the etch marks. Avoid applying to the skin. Add gel as needed. Practice will teach you how much to apply. If the gel does not flow down to the sidewalls by itself in 10 to 15 seconds, you do not have enough gel on the nail. Move gel around with your brush if necessary. Use light brush technique to move gel where you'd need it. Shape by turning the hand upside down for 20 to 25 seconds. Remove any gel from the skin and immediately place the nails underneath UV light for 5 seconds. Pull the gel nails out of the light for 5 seconds. Do this 3 or 4 times, and then we're going to put the nails underneath UV light for a total of 2 minutes. View what we have done. There will be the tacky residue on the surface of the nail. Using your Nailogic sanitizer, give it a good scrub to remove the tacky residue. Remove the forms. And you're going to have a nail in the basic length and shape required. Using your 100 grit file, begin to file to shape as necessary. Make sure that you clean any gel that may have proceeded down the sides. Remove the shine from the entire surface of the nail. In this process, you should shape the building gel as necessary. Using a 100 grit file, this should happen very, very quickly. Be certain to shape the free edges, dust, sanitize, and allow to dry. Using the Nailogic eye shine, apply a thin coat as you would polish. Avoid applying to the skin. Now watch again. Notice how we put the brush in the middle of the nail, push back to but not touching the skin, and then draw off the free edge. Use as few strokes as possible. Always cap the free edge. Allow a few seconds to shape. And we're going to cure underneath UV light for 2 minutes. When the nail comes out from underneath UV light, there will be the tacky residue on the surface. We're going to clean with Nailogic Sanitizer, and you have finished a sculpted nail. You're done.